We are celebrating 40 years of Peter with us here. He is our person that we go to for anything.
He's not retiring. It is just something we want to do for him, to thank him for the 40 years plus that he's put here at Mercedes-Benz Oakville.
Being the fact that he's been here since 1981, the knowledge of vehicles that he's seen, he's inspected a car from 81 as brand new, and then all the way up to current, which is 2021. But his father started here, was a technician before he was, and he followed in his father's footsteps here. He was mentored by a shop foreman at that period of time. In his progression, he has mentored hundreds of people that have come through the doors here. He did actually mentor our shop foreman that we have now, Chris, who's been here almost 20 years. I can remember one of the first things I saw when I started here 9 years ago. We have a wall that has an achievement of a customer and Peter, vehicle that made 1 million kilometers. You can't compare him with anyone. Very passionate about auto racing. He used to participate, having his own race car, traveling across Ontario into the US. He's very quiet, he's very humble. He's working there, you don't hear from him sometimes, but he just gets everything done. Recently, someone asked him what he would tell his younger self. Very quick, he returned and he said, "No regrets."
Here's a thank you from all of us at Mercedes-Benz Oakville for the endless loyalty to the dealership.